Hello class 6 students, welcome back. We are in the fractions chapter. In today's class we are going to see addition of fractions. Let us begin our class today. In today's class we are going to see addition of like fractions and addition of unlike fractions and also a story sum. Addition of like fraction. What are like fractions? We saw in the previous videos. Like fractions are fraction in which the denominators are same. Let us see a like fraction 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Adding 2 by 6 and 1 by 6 we get 3 by 6. Here the shaded part, if you see 6 parts, the total parts are 6 here. 2 is shaded and 1 is shaded, so it becomes 3 parts out of this total parts. So it is 3 by 6. Here addition of like fraction, we add only the numerator and the denominator is not changed. We write the denominator as it is. Let's see one more example. 5 by 9 and 1 by 9. Add 5 by 9 and 1 by 9. We get 5 plus 6. We should add only the numerator 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6, and the denominator is not changed. Write it as it is. So it is 6 by 9. Addition of numerators and the denominator is not changed. That is the rule for like fractions. One more example, 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. Add the numerators 1 plus 3, which gives you 4. 4 by 7, the denominator 7 is not changed. Now we are going to see addition of unlike fractions. How to add unlike fraction. What are unlike fractions? The fraction in which the denominators are different are called as unlike fraction. How to add? We have to make the denominator same. We have to make the unlike fraction into like fraction and then we are going to add. As we compare, when we are doing comparing the unlike fractions, we converted them into like fraction and we compared, right? Same way we are going to convert this into like fraction and then we are going to add. Adding fractions with unlike denominators, let us see one example. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 plus 2 by 3. Here the denominators are different. How to find the common denominator? First we need to find the lowest common multiple, that is LCM of the denominators, and we need to find the equivalent fractions with the common denominator. The LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. So when we rewrite with the common denominator, 1 by 8, we multiply numerator and denominator by 3, and 2 by 3, we multiply numerator and denominator by 8. We get the common denominator 24. We get 3 by 24 plus 16 by 24. Now the denominators are same, isn't it? So we can add them. They are now like fractions and we need to add them by adding only the numerators. The denominator should not be added. It should be written as it is. It is unchanged. 16 plus 3 will give you 19 and the denominator is 24, which is 19 by 24. So adding unlike fraction 1 by 8 and 2 by 3 gives you 19 by 24. Let us now see a story sum in addition of fractions. Ron walked 3 by 4 kilometer on Monday, 4 1 by 3 kilometer on Tuesday, and 2 7 by 12 kilometer on Wednesday. What distance did he walk in all? The distance he walked on Monday is given, distance he walked on Tuesday is given, distance he walked on Wednesday is given. We need to find the total distance he walked for these 3 days. What is the operation that we have to use here? We need to add. We have to do addition. First, let us write the statement. Distance Ron walked on Monday. Distance Ron walked on Tuesday. Distance he walked on Wednesday. Write the distance. They are in mixed number, mixed fraction. We need to convert them into improper. And then we can add, that is one way of doing, or we can add the whole numbers and add the proper fractions alone. 3, 4 and 2. We can add the whole numbers of the mixed number, and we can add separately the 3 by 4, 1 by 3 and 7 by 2, 12. We can do either way. Now I am going to add by converting them into improper fraction. So total distance is the sum of all these distance. When I convert 3 by 4, I get 15 by 4. 4 1 by 3 is 13 by 3 and 2 7 by 12 is 3 31 by 12. The sum of all these, we need to make the denominators same. Let us find the common denominator and we need to add. How to find the common denominator? By finding the LCM. The LCM of 4, 3 and 12 is 12. And we are making this fractions 15 by 4. Finding the equivalent fraction of 15 by 4 with the common denominator 12. We will be getting 45 by 12. 15 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 3 will give you 45 by 12. And 13 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 4 will give you 52 by 12. And 31 by 12 multiplied by 1 by 1 will give you 31 by 12. Now we have the three fractions whose denominator are all same, 12. Now add the numerators. 45 plus 52 plus 31 gives you 128. 128 by 12 kilometer is the distance that he walked on those 3 days. It is an improper fraction. We can convert them. We can simplify it and we can convert them into an mixed number. So it becomes 10 2 by 3. So Ron walked the total distance of 10 2 by 3 kilometer in all. Children, in this video we saw about the addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions. Thank you, students.